Psyched for Mandarin class?
No.
No.
Mandarin class is so stressful.
What? Why are we doing this?
What are you doing? Mandarin class is back that way.
I know. But we're gonna play hooky today.
Play hooky. To stay away from school or work without permission or explanation. Informal. Examples.
Hey, stranger.
Oh, is that what I am now?
Playing hooky?
Well, they're making me work tonight, so I've got the afternoon off.
Oh, they all gotta save the world excuse again?
When somebody opens the door, the hand goes down, hits the remote, turns on the tape recorder, which is me snoring. Now, nobody knows whether I am here or whether I am gone.
I will know.
But you will not tell anyone.
But we'll need to, because we'll be together playing hooky.
Sometimes, most of the time, I will be with Ryan or Daryl.
I haven't been to Disneyland since I was a kid. We should definitely go one weekend.
Weekends are too crowded.
Oh, blow off work. Go on a weekday.
Hooky? I've never played hooky in my life. My mom said that's how girls end up addicted to reefer and jazz music.
Mandarin class is back that way.
I know. But we're gonna play hooky today.
But you will not tell anyone.
But we'll need to, because we'll be together playing hooky.
Hooky? I've never played hooky in my life.